Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now and see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Ki riu shim kabu bamla bantep kila penjulor ya ka jingkhang yeng bat ka kali jong vice chancellor ka school ba nehu professor PS Shukla ki magistrate baki pulen tang shu jingtep halor kani ka jingja kila le kerkot ya ka quarter sa jong vice chancellor ban omsha shu enu ru ban rung chapok ni quarter ha kani ka jingja bala antat bakala ja ka por kamba arbaje ha ka step jo ka ski blai ka shpotrik unai weng arajar psau artli CCTV camera bala pendaj habar ka quarter ru kila sha wiang ding ha ki riu shim kabu menta ki pulet kitang penong ya ka jing toket ban lap sa ya ki bedan keti ha kani ka kam runar
Back side is back side. No, kitchen is much very much. The car. No. That side also it was damaged. Be careful. That side also is damaged. Even the front seat also during daytime we will be able to see.
See, they had to look at all these car pots, no, and give them to throw there.
That too in a place like along it's not your own language and all that. What they're talking in the night.
Very easy for them to say, like, either we talk to us and all that. They don't understand the ground.
Irrespective, the students in from the home.
Oi. Because
In the middle of the night, and many of your food does not know the route. What which people are well versed from where to go, from where to come also. That I can understand being a jungly area, no?
itu bapak kita dalam kaya sekali bapak. Kita jauh sekali tu apa? Jika kita window apa jenis apa? Kau.
Misai lại
Connect wifi đáng hả?
We will take it as left.
students,
Because
we
if
can
he has
have
not
that.
left, if he's injured or something, he will be around.
Please note
or
that
some-
he,
or something
ma'am is
like that.
admitting that BC has left.
Yes.
Many of you accepted the fact that he has left.
Okay, ma'am, we'll take that decision already.
No, what I'm
During
telling you,
because
they have gone
nowhere the
inside.
priority is BC. If a person of his position disappears, I think
He should have
he would
given
be the-
some written, either a written document
he
to
must
me
have-
or
so
to
ma'am,
PRO.
there will be
Yeah.
an FIR
that
he's missing. Will there be?
We will see.
Because he didn't.
No,
So ma'am, we would take it.
No, not, yeah.
Security has admitted now. Yes. That's all
He left. No, he has not gone missing. BC has left.
He's not here. That means he's left.
BC has left. Okay.
Maybe somewhere we don't know about.
Yeah, we don't know.
It is not a matter of concern. He has left on his own, and the security and everybody knows very well that he's in good health. He has left.
Okay.
Okay,
So
thank
you
you,
agree
ma'am.
we
That's
will-
what we
yeah.
needed. He
Are
left.
you satisfied?
He left. No,
Please
I'm
cooperate
worried
with the
about-
police.
Yes, yes.
Please cooperate with the police.
We are just worried about our BC.
Please we are worried about everything. Nehu.
Even
We
for
are worried
you.
about Nehu.
Even for you.
I am worried about Nehu. Administration and police are worried about
That's
Nehu.
what I told.
We need a safe and secure place.
I'm worried.
But the
I
VC
came
is
every
not
day.
concerned.
But for all these people.
But ma'am, VC is not concerned that these students. It's about their
Police
life
coming
and
from
death
outside,
now.
they're concerned from the
See,
student, but the
he
VC,
He
the
have a
main
document that
chairperson,
he
is not
left.
concerned about the
He
student.
took leave or something like that.
No, he has not. That's what I told you. He has not. He has not
That's a
said
breach of
anything to
trust
me.
then.
That I don't know. But like from what they are saying, he's not there. That means he's left. Otherwise, if he's,
Okay, now the narrative has changed from he has gone missing to he has left.
so it's missing.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, it's okay. We'll just wait for the
We'll
FIR.
take like that. He has left.
Are you a press, madam?
Without any notifications.
It's like a criminal breach of trust by a public servant, like according to the IPC.
That too, I also because it happened in the middle of the night. Like I've told you, I cannot see whether it's legal or illegal.
No, to just run away, in situation like this, it is
No,
it is a breach of trust.
ma'am, I'll tell you. You have to understand, like what CSO said, there was a lot of vandalism, there was drones being stored in
Sir,
his
but
house.
I have one question
So,
in
He
relate
must
to that.
see, anybody in such situation would also be, you put yourself in that situation, so he would also be panicking.
That he left on his
I am not.
What you're saying is like you're
Because I
confirming.
was
You are confirming what you just said. So
And the thing,
We will receive FIR from the madam.
no, sir, you didn't
Let me explain. Na? Let me explain. From our side, what is this? Case be registered. Investigation will go on.
We are not blaming.
For the somebody has said that the maybe outsiders would come and vandalize, so let the security be there. So we want to have 24/7 access for the police to come in and guard it, all the gates.
and then another request, sir, if you don't mind. Students, they are a bit afraid to walk past to this road because of the cops. That side, the police.
Which cops?
I mean-
Cops are there to protect us.
Yeah,
not
I mean,
cops, right?
one
Okay,
station.
cops are there to protect. You cannot say cops are there to protect.
Yeah. We understand
Safety
that.
and
We
security
support
of the
that. Yeah, for the protection.
Inside this campus only.
I mean, for the
they will be
that's the
yeah,
main
Bamaria,
reason
see,
our
they-
students, they won't do such damage because police are there. How can they just come and throw stones, this
Ma'am,
and that?
please.
No, yesterday there were no police. No, that's why we want to keep. No.
These
yeah,
people,
Mutaka,
the
ma'am.
police, they want only the gate number 5 access only from gate number 5. So, because I don't think there's any hostel around the side, it's all quarters. So it's okay. It's okay. We are not going to put police that side. We're only going to put police only on this area. Yes or no?
But not all the gates, ma'am.
But
No. And only,
All the gates. Here in this compound.
we will allow police to access only gate number 5.
Only for the
Only to enter the side.
this side.
Okay?
Ma'am, ma'am, for whom is this
Gate number
protection? Since VC is not here.
Since DC is not here, but the property is here. This is
Yeah.
our
This
property,
is
my
damaged.
property.
For
It's
people
damaged
damaged
public
more,
property.
yeah.
See, even if DC is staying and if it's damaged, it's not that DC is paying the damage from his pocket.
And one
It's
more-
our
We do
public
understand.
money. So for that,
This student tuition fee you are paying for it.
Any other buildings you may feel
Yeah.
it's not secure, you can give us the list. We can
And
provide
then
the
what
security.
kind of security are we talking about? Like,
It's just to protect the
No,
property.
the number of people involved.
I think ma'am here has came to look at the situation and file a report. I think let ma'am take charge. I think we'll have
No, that's what I'm telling. The police will access only gate number 5. That will be solely for the police.
Oh,
They will not
Are you saying that it will be open for police?
only gate number 5.
Yeah, police
Not-
and administration also. For the
yeah,
district
police
administration,
and
we
DC.
want to
It's
come
only
inside.
gate number 5, no?
Does that mean that the security are not enough to protect this property?
We have security. What happened last night?
So
You all heard. I also heard because I've not seen. You also heard the damage done of security. Are there, but
That's what now from 2 hours it has been. Our security is enough.
Yeah.
There is no need to put the security assurance. He has been asking for 2 hours. He has been asking for 2 hours. That's what.
You give
If you give
assurance
the
that you
security,
all, yeah, you
if
will
you give the
protect, yeah.
assurance, then there is no need. That's what. Please sign and give the assurance. That is what.
We are concerned with this situation.
Yeah, madam.
No, I
No,
cannot.
I am listening
I'm not a
ev-
policeman to
everything.